How to schedule a post on your Facebook page. So I'm at my home page over here. Let me show you. I'm gonna click here on the left. Let's go to my page, which is this profile. I'm gonna click on that. Then I'm going to Meta Business Suite. Click on that. Then here you can create a post, or you can do it from the content. You can create a post, a reel. Let's create a post. Now let's write something. Then in order to schedule it, go to scheduling option, set date and time. Click on that. And over here you can set the date. Let's say tomorrow at 6 a.m. And that's it. And then you schedule. And then at 6 a.m. this post is going to be on your page.